Now we're going to talk about how to solve a more than, less than word problem. The problem in front of us says, a kettle can hold 2 quarts and 3 cups of tea. A pot can hold 1 quart and 2 cups of tea more than the kettle. If the pot currently holds 2 quarts and 2 cups of tea, and an additional 4 quarts and 1 cup of tea is added to the pot, how much tea will overflow from the pot? Alright, so the first thing we want to do here is we want to find the formula that relates quarts to cups, because those are the two units that we're working with here. So in order to do this, we're going to need to know that 1 quart is equal to 4 cups. Now we're going to want to try to get all of our numbers into the same unit, and we're going to try to get it into cups because that's our smaller unit. So let's start off with how much a kettle can hold. So the kettle can hold 2 quarts plus 3 cups. This is the same thing as saying that it can hold 2 from the quarts times 4 cups, because each quart is worth 4 cups. And then we have an additional 3 cups here. So if we have 2 times 4, that's going to be 8, plus our 3, that's going to be 11 cups that a kettle can hold. Now, a pot can hold that same 11 cups, what the kettle can hold, plus it can hold an additional quart, plus another 2 cups. So that's the same as saying that it can hold 11 cups from the kettle, plus 1 quart times the 4 cups that are in a quart, plus 2 more cups. So now we have 11 plus 4 plus 2. So that's going to give us 17 cups that the pot can hold. Alright, so if the pot can hold 17 cups, and we know that it already holds 2 quarts plus 2 cups, that's going to be the same thing as 2 times the 4 cups that are in each of those 2 quarts, plus another 2 cups. So that's 2 times 4 is going to be 8, plus 2 is 10. That's how many cups are already in the pot. And then we're going to add to that our 4 quarts that we're pouring in, plus 1 cup, which is the same thing as saying 4 times 4 cups in each of the 4 quarts, plus 1 more cup. 4 times 4 is 16, plus 1 is 17. And that's the amount of cups that we're going to pour into the pot. Alright, so now we have our 10 cups that are already in the pot, we have 17 cups that we pour into the pot, and that's together going to give us 27 cups that we're trying to fit into a pot. Now, here's our amount of cups that can fit in a pot, and here's the amount that we're trying to pour into the pot. So we're just going to do a little bit of subtraction here. 27 cups minus 17 cups. And we're going to find that 10 cups are going to overflow from that pot, because we can only fit 17 in, and we're trying to pour 27 in. So the answer to our question is 10 cups, but they want our answer in quarts and cups. So we need to find out how many quarts there are in 10 cups. Since there are 4 cups in 1 quart, we know that we can fit 2 quarts in, and then we're going to have 2 leftover cups afterwards. So we're going to put as our answer 2 quarts are going to overflow and 2 cups.